To change the battery of your Timex watch, start by flipping it over to access the back cover. If your band block access, remove it as well. Then, take a look on the side of the cover. Somewhere, you'll see a small slot. If that's the case, you have a snap-on cover. Be careful. It's also possible that you have a cover held on by screws or even one that's literally screwed onto the case. If so, one of the suggested video in the upper right corner will be more useful to you. But in this case, you'll need a thin and sturdy tool to act as a lever. A butter knife would do the job just fine, but I use this tool specifically designed for this. It comes with a complete kit for maintaining your watch. It's very affordable, and you can get it by following the link in the description. But first, protect the back of your watch in case you slip in the next step, as you could damage something. Insert the lever and lift the cover. You shouldn't have to force too hard, but it's really well set in place. So, on snap, it will be very easy to remove. And there you have it. The battery is right there, ready to be replaced. It's very simple to remove with a small pair of pliers. Take a close look at the model of your battery, as you'll need to replace it with the same one. In this case, it's a CR2016. I have left a link in the description if you wish to order one. Insert your new battery and push it with your finger to ensure it's properly in place. Be careful, it tends to not stay in place. Let's just say that it's not the best system I've seen on the watch. Push with both of your thumbs to really insert it into its holder. Be aware, some watches have a sealant to protect them from water. If you see one, make sure to put it back in place properly to keep your watch waterproof. Finally, reposition your cover. Be careful, it's not as easy as it sounds to snap back into place. You can try with your fingers or other tools if you wish, but ideally, use a watch press. Once again, it's included in the complete kit in the description. Put a cloth to protect your watch, and press on the lever to close the case. Ideally, you'll hear the snap, but it's possible that, like in this case, it's rather discreet. Make sure it's closed properly, reinstall your band, and that's it. We are done. I hope the video was helpful.